Hi everyone. In this video, I will share with you the solution to the problem I recently faced. This is an Illustrator feature that you might not be aware of. Here I have few shapes in the middle of the rectangle. When I try to select these shapes by dragging over these, this selects this rectangle too. This is because Illustrator gives every object a center point, which we can see with the outline view. Press Ctrl+Y for this. Now to prevent this selection caused by the center point, select all. Go to the window menu, then Attributes. And click on Don't Show Center button. And that's it. Click on this, Show the Center, to undo this. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.